Hello friends! Welcome to my kitchen again. Today I'm gonna show you how to make apple-shaped macarons. Just look at them. They decorated with a pretzel stick and some pumpkin seeds. They look like apple. If you're ready, then let's get started. I made French meringue and I use red food coloring. This is how it looks. In a separate mixing bowl, I sifted almond flour and powdered sugar, and I added to my French meringue. Using spatula, start folding batter. Make sure you're grabbing all dry ingredients from the sides of the mixing bowl and from the bottom. Don't forget to clean your spatula. And just keep mixing. Keep checking the texture of macaronage. When it drips down from the spatula like lava, then it's ready for piping. I prepare plastic bag with the round piping tip. I'm placing into tall pitcher. I'm using Wilton 12 round tip and I'm transferring macaronage into piping bag. Make sure you grab everything from the mixing bowl and don't forget to clean your spatula. I made template for you. It's free on my blog. You can download, print and use to pipe macarons. Place template under baking mat and it's up to you how you're gonna place. I usually place between circles. Pipe macaron shells as you see on a video. Just follow template. At first, macaron shells will look a little weird, but don't forget this is shaped macarons, so just give it time. Use toothpick or your favorite baking tool to release some air bubbles. You can also move baking mat if you have more space to pipe more shells. It's all up to you. After that, place baking mat on a baking tray. I usually like to use a towel on a table and start topping the tray. Don't forget to rotate. This will help to release any air bubbles and top of the shells will become very smooth. You can also use toothpick again to fix any imperfections. But don't slam baking tray too much. You still need to have this apple-shaped macaron shells. After that, let shells to rest on a countertop until no butter stick to your finger when you touch. Bake macarons in preheated oven. Temperature and baking time may vary depending on your oven. After baking, let macaron shells to cool completely and pair them with the same size. Look how beautiful they are. Very smooth top, nice feet. They're ready for filling. When you're ready to assemble apple-shaped macarons, pipe some ganache on a flat side of one macaron shell. I usually like to pipe like this. And then pipe some apple confit right in the middle of this ganache. Then sandwich macaron with another macaron shell, just slightly pressing this shell. For stem, I use gluten-free pretzel stick, and I insert right in the ganache of the macaron. That's how it looked. But then I wasn't happy with the result. I needed something else. And I checked my pantry. And I found some pumpkin seeds. I decided to decorate my apple-shaped macarons. I placed one pumpkin seed next to the pretzel stick to look like a leaf. That's how cute they look. This is very simple decor, and at the same time it's very elegant, gluten-free macarons shaped as an apple. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like my video, subscribe and follow for more recipes. Happy baking!